Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got two stocks that I think you guys want to put on your watch list. Now, these two stocks, the first one is a fairly low price stock that over the past 5-6 months has been really taking a hit, and the price has been coming down to where now I think it's just too cheap to ignore. See, when the market sells off as a whole, a lot of stocks go down with the market that should not go down. They go down for no other reason than the simple fact that the entire stock market is dragging good stocks with good growth potential down, with the entire market falling all at once. So in other words, it's time to look for some deals. So I got a low price, high growth stock that I think is undervalued that you want to check out. Now, the second stock is one that I just bought for myself in my own portfolio, in my IRA. And I think you want to put this one on your watch list, because this stock is perfect for the environment that we are living in right now in the stock market. Right now, we got a whole lot of uncertainty. And a stock like the second stock that I have that I just purchased is one that you want to put in your portfolio and keep it for the long haul, because this one has performed outstandingly the past 15 years with a dividend that continues to grow and get nothing but higher. So the first stock, without further ado, goes by the name of Vimeo Incorporated, ticker symbol VMEO, Vimeo, and it comes in at a price of only $18.24 per share. Now, Vimeo Incorporated operates a cloud-based software platform for professionals, teams, and organizations to create, collaborate, and communicate with video worldwide. So Vimeo is a video hosting services platform. Now, this company helps businesses and also helps individuals with anything that involves video content. They offer a monthly subscription to help content creators with any issues that may come up when dealing with content creation on their platform. Now, Vimeo has over 1.6 million subscribers. So what that tells me is that with that many subscribers, for a company that's this size, they have potential to continue to generate revenue, which means profits for them and profits for you. And they have an opportunity for this price to go nothing but higher. Now, the website has over 200 million active users. Now, tipsrank.com, the website that I know and trust, says that the price can surge over 40% higher than the prices at these current levels. So let's just go to a Z chart. Check out Vimeo, ticker symbol VMEO, coming in at a price of only $18.24. As I always do, I like to zero in right here at the bottom of the screen. Right here in that shaded area, you see at that area, at that price level, investors are letting you know by the heavy buying that's coming into the company stock that the price is too low. So you're looking at the volume on the average. The volume is 1.95 million shares bought and sold on any particular day. That's the average volume. But on Friday, we had 6.2 million shares bought and or sold. So at these levels, smart investors, aka smart money, is letting you know that the price is too cheap to ignore. So looking at the price now at $18.24 per share, got a price target of $34. This is what people who are smarter than you and smarter than me are saying, that the company stock within a year will get to that target. And looking at this volume coming in, I have to agree with them. And as you can see, back here in June, the price was right around $58 a share. And since June of this year, it has done nothing but slowly drip lower, lower, and lower. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for this thing to go higher. As I say, when the entire market falls, a lot of stocks get drugged down. Like they say, you don't want to throw the baby out with the bathwater. But when the whole market falls, a lot of good companies' stock price tends to suffer. Now it's time to go bargain hunting. So put Vimeo Incorporated on that list. Coming in at number 2. This one right here, I just purchased this myself. Name of the company is Extra Space Storage Incorporated. Ticker symbol EXR. Now, this one ain't cheap. Comes in at a price of $215.15 per share. Put it like this. Sometimes when it comes to buying stock, just like everything else, you're going to get exactly what you pay for. You can get a Mercedes-Benz or you can get a Geo Metro. Both of them cars, but they sure don't ride the same. In other words, you're going to pay and you're going to get exactly what you pay for. So Extra Space Storage Incorporation is coming in at $215 per share. Now, the description says that Extra Space Storage Incorporation is headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah, and it's a self-administered and self-managed REIT, real estate investment trust, and it's also a member of the S&P 500. As of September the 30th, 2020, the company owned and or operated 1,906 self-storage stores in 40 different states, to include Washington, D.C., also in Puerto Rico. So this right here is something that I always wanted to invest in, and that's storage units. I even looked into buying a storage unit some years ago. Now, this is a business that'll always be in business. Storage units are not going anywhere, whether it's a recession, a market downturn, whether the market goes straight up or whether the market goes straight down. People will always need extra space. And it's a coincidence, that's the name of the company, Extra Space Storage. People will always need extra space because we pack rats. We buy a bunch of stuff that we don't need, and we buy a bunch of stuff and stuff it in the garage that we don't really use. And sooner or later, we have to move the stuff that we didn't need out of the house because the crap runs us out of the house. We don't have no space. Then you won't have enough space. Eventually, you end up with a storage unit. So once again, storage units are not going anywhere. At the moment, Extra Space Storage is a number 2 rated buy stock, rated by Zacks.com. Number 2 rated. In other words, this is a solid company, solid investment for the future. Let us go to a chart. As you see right here, always do it. Looking at average volume is 644,000 shares bought and or sold daily. But on Friday, you had over 1.7 million shares bought and or sold. So our share price sooner or later is going higher based off of the buy-in that's taking place in this company. Right now, the price is at $215.15 per share. And once again, this is a company share that I just started to purchase myself just last week. I ain't got a whole lot of money. I won't start and get a little bit at a time and just build up whenever I can. So this is once again something that I've always wanted to invest in, is storage units, because I realize the potential that this company has is going nothing but higher, because over time, that's what this company's share price has done, went nothing but higher. Now I'm going to take you to the Dividend channel. The Dividend channel is a website where I can look at the past history of dividend paying stocks, and I can check their performance, and I can also check the amounts that you could have possibly made if you had invested in the company in the past. Now, what I noticed right off the bat is the dividend history. dividend history sticks out to me. Right here, the dividend started to be paid by Extra Space back in 2004 in September. They started paying their quarterly dividend at 11 cents per share. Now here we are now in December 2021. The current dividend that was paid by Extra Space Incorporated was $1.25 per share. Think about it. They started paying 11 cents in 2004. The dividend payment was 11 cents. And as you can see, it's done nothing but go higher since 2004. They have continuously raised the dividend payment. So it went from being 11 cents per share dividend payment in 2004 to now 2021. They paid just a few days ago $1.25 per share. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is what you want in your portfolio for the long haul. A company that continues to raise their dividend. As you can see here, right after the recession, the dividend payment shown by this stair-step graph has consistently been going higher and higher. So if a company can consistently pay you higher and higher dividends over time, that means that the company's revenue growth is growing and it's going higher and higher at a time. So in a situation like this that we have currently, our economic situation in the stock market has been real shaky here lately. Stocks are going down that shouldn't go down because people are real jittery. So this right here will help you with your case of the jitters, because you can put this company's stock in your portfolio and let it ride for the long haul. So these are the two stocks that I think that you guys will benefit from putting on your watch list. First one by the name of Vimeo Incorporated. Second one goes by Extra Space Storage Incorporated. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm one known as the Stock Dude, and I'll holler at you later. Peace.